Hi, dear MBAGuru students. I am Deekshant Sehrawat. I am the Director of Academics at MBAGuru और अक्सर मेरी मेल्स आप लोगों को मिलती होंगी। तो ये वीडियो मैं एक स्पेशल पर्पस से बना रहा हूँ। CAT 2022 के स्टूडेंट्स से हमने पूछा था कि would they prefer if we reached out to them via the video form, instead of just the blogs, the written articles and write-ups that we used to share with them. And overwhelmingly, they suggested, yes, this is the format, this is what we like, this is what we prefer. MBAGuru पे हम स्टूडेंट्स की बात बहुत सुनते हैं, आपकी इनपुट्स को बहुत तवज्जो देते हैं. That's the only reason why, despite literally no marketing, we've been able to grow amidst so much competition. We've been able to create that goodwill among our students because your inputs, your feedback means a lot to us. तो ये एक नई चीज़ हम शुरू कर रहे हैं, एक नई शुरुआत है. Yes, we are CAT mentors and experts, all your faculty members, me, but हम वीडियो मेकिंग एक्सपर्ट्स नहीं हैं. तो दो चीज़ें मैं आपसे चाहता हूँ. My request to you, one, because it's a new thing for us, I would ask both for your direction in terms of, so whenever you see a video, please, the only way for us to know whether that content is useful for you is that you like it or comment upon it. Subscribe करना नहीं करना वो कतई पूरी आपकी मर्जी है. I am someone who does not recommend social media or at least too much of social media because a lot of it is simply a waste of time. Even if you subscribe, I'd say next year unsubscribe कर देना once you've got all your value out of here. But yes, when you like it or comment it, it'll tell us if you're on the right track. Secondly, थोड़ा direction भी आपको देना पड़ेगा. So you'll have to keep sharing with us what kind of content or what are the questions that are troubling your mind that you would want our answers upon. And that's something again, we'll get back to you with. हाँ, एक और चीज़, हमारा इस content को create करने का मकसद YouTube चैनल को थोड़ा lively और activated form में रखने का मकसद, 90% of it is solely for you at MBAGuru. It is not to create a very big channel or anything of that sort. We just want to reach out to you in the best manner possible, give out the best possible guidance to you. Simply that. 10%, any other CAT aspirants who may have questions similar to the questions that you have, they might find these things useful. But it is very, very focused upon our students, CAT aspirants. It is not meant to be a marketing, endeavor at all. So, थोड़ी सी patience, tolerance for the quality that we might, the quality of content is something I'm pretty sure of, but the quality of videos, etc., may not be great because that's not our expertise. But with your love, your support, I'm sure this is one more challenge, one more learning curve for us, and we'll do a good job out of it. So, thank you in advance. Looking forward to interacting with you on this platform as well. Thank you. Bye. Take care.